What's up? I'm at Pacific Raceway doing media for the track today. Let's get it. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
How's it going?
How's it going? I'm Marius.
Maurice?
Marius.
Marius, sorry. I'm
Nice
Tim.
to meet you.
TJ. Where would you like to start?
I was thinking 3B.
3B? Alright. You're gonna be with him.
Alright.
And what do you know about being out on the track?
I've done it a few times, but like just don't cross the track and stay out of the crash zones.
Where are you looking to be?
3B.
That's me.
All right.
Hang with me. We'll figure out what you need to do, what you want to do, and we'll relay it and see if it's possible.
Alright.
We got this.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for coming out and documenting this debauchery.
Oh yeah. Should
Okay.
be pretty fun. I'm Marius.
TJ.
Nice to meet you.
Tag the pictures with Pacific. Let everybody know we still have a racetrack here.
Alright.
Because, I mean, it's like I tell people I work at the racetrack.
Yeah.
And they'll go, you mean Emerald Downs? Oh, right in my heart.
Yeah.
And I'll go, no, Pacific Raceways, with the sports cars and the drag racing. They go, oh, the old SIR? Hasn't been SIR for 26 years.
Damn.
Oh, I used to go there in the 80s. We're still there.
Yeah.
It hurts my heart when they don't, you know.
Yeah, when they don't know about it.
Yeah. So have you ever photographed at the racetrack before?
I've done it once. It wasn't for a race, but we were doing rollers on a racetrack around this area.
Huge out here.
Yeah.
We have a protocol if you get run over and crunched, but we don't want to have to do that.
Yeah.
And if you wanted between sessions, you can either go up to the other station, or you can go up by that porta potty. See the porta potty where the cars are parked?
Yeah.
If you want, you can go up there. But before you move, you have to be in contact with somebody with a radio.
Alright.
So either me or within shouting distance of the other station. If you want to go down to the other station like 4, you can do that, but you got to go to the station.
Alright.
And you'll have to hustle in between sessions.
Okay. Alright, this is pretty cool. It's my first time really on the racetrack shooting like this, so it's an experience. Getting some practice in. Oh man, definitely a cool experience. This is awesome. Get some verticals. That's pretty good. All right. Even more. Wow. How does this turn out? Okay. Pretty nice. Track days are pretty cool.
Where do you want to go next?
4. Yeah, it's right over there.
You want to swap?
What's up? Alright, we just got to turn 4. Or just straight away, but alright, just wait till I see them up there coming down. Then I'm gonna get ready. My camera setting's good. Focus in the center so I could follow them, track them along. And yeah. Alright, I see them coming. It should be interesting to see. Alright, gotta get ready. Try and get rollers. Or not really rollers, but drive-bys.
Stuck until lunch.
Alright. This is a good spot anyways. Alright, get ready. I don't know why I did that. Oh damn, why did it turn off? Oh well, I'll have multiple rounds to get them. I'm gonna try vertical. Right by that outlet. Damn, I think sounds good. Hopefully these turn out good. I think this is the last one. Alright. My first time shooting on a track, so I'm still learning how to do it all. So hopefully I can get it all figured out and good. Alright. It was pretty cool though. I just need to figure out proper settings and moving so I'm parallel with the car. And hopefully it turns out good. So yeah. Up here behind the barriers. Damn. Yeah. Alright. It's almost lunch break. That's good. I'm hungry. But gotta get some pictures in, gotta grind. You know how it is. I don't know why my screen keeps turning off. It's very annoying. Oh my gosh. Okay, fuck you. Oh my god.
Are we good at a speed?
Huh? Yeah. The R8 is coming too.
This one you should go. Okay.
Okay. Huh?
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay. Could you go? Oh, yeah, that's good. I'm trying to figure it out. I don't like that. Huh?
Tell them to go on the side so you get the side of the car.
Okay. Huh?
You want to swap cars? Tell them to swap.
All right, and that's it. Thank you for watching. There's gonna be more of this in the future. Plan to do more track days. So yeah, subscribe for more.